How to fix iPhone apps download stuck in waiting on home screen. So if you want to fix your iPhone apps download stuck in waiting on home screen, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings, iPhone settings. After opening your iPhone settings, you need to just scroll down, go with your Wi-Fi section. Once you're on your Wi-Fi, then you need to turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds and then again turn it on, and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, go back to general section. Under general, you need to tap on date and time. From date and time here, make sure that you've set automatically is disabled. So if your set automatically has enabled, you need to go and disable it. After disabling, you need to set your current month and year. Once done that, you need to go back, and here you need to go with your privacy and security under your settings. So scroll down, go with privacy and security. Under that, you will have location services. Under your location services, you need to go and turn on your location services. After turning on your location services, you need to go back your Wi-Fi and again turn on your Wi-Fi. After turning on your Wi-Fi, your problem will be fixed. Once you've done that, you can go back to your home screen and install the application that was not installing, and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.